Welcome to the MRCS Bites session on abdominal organs. Today, we'll dive into this topic and explore the common questions tested during the MRCS Part B exam. For more information and full course, please visit mrcsbites.com. Name the parts of the stomach. The stomach is made up of 4 sections. The cardia, where the esophagus enters. The fundus. The body. The pylorus, which joins to the duodenum. How many parts does the duodenum have? The duodenum is made up of 4 parts which form a C shape around the head of the pancreas. The second, third, and fourth parts are retroperitoneal. Into which part of the duodenum does the common bile duct enter? The CBD enters the posteromedial wall of the second part of the duodenum at the ampulla of Vater. Flow of bile is regulated by the sphincter of Oddi. How could you tell the difference between the jejunum and the ileum? The jejunum is larger, thicker, more vascular, and a darker red than the ileum. It has longer vasa recta and fewer arcades. How can you tell the difference between large and small bowel on an abdominal radiograph? Large bowel has haustrae, which extend only a third of the way across the bowel from each side, whereas small bowel has valvulae conniventes, which traverse the complete distance. Occasionally, location can help. With small bowel tending to be more central, bewares a drooping transverse colon. How many parts does the pancreas have? The pancreas consists of 5 parts: head, uncinate process, neck, body, and tail. What are the functions of the pancreas? The pancreas has both exocrine and endocrine functions. The pancreatic acini perform the exocrine functions, producing and secreting digestive enzymes. The islets of Langerhans perform the endocrine function. Alpha cells produce and secrete glucagon. Beta cells produce and secrete insulin. Delta cells produce and secrete somatostatin. Describe the blood supply to the pancreas. The pancreas has 3 main sources of blood supply: the superior pancreatico-duodenal from the gastroduodenal, and inferior pancreatico-duodenal from the superior mesenteric. Arteries supply the head of the pancreas. Pancreatic branches from the splenic artery supply the remainder of the pancreas. Venous drainage follows arterial supply to the superior mesenteric and portal veins, and the splenic vein respectively. What are the 3 main divisions of the celiac axis? The celiac axis divides into the left gastric artery, the common hepatic artery, and the splenic artery. What is the blood supply to the greater curve of the stomach? The right and left gastroepiploic arteries. For more MRCS Part B resources, please visit mrcsbites.com.